What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, today we're going to talk about consistency. And they say consistency is the true foundation of trust. Either keep your promises or do not make them. And in trading, that foundation is built with every single choice that we make every single day with every trade that we take. Now, here's a hard truth. If you don't master consistency, you're never going to become a profitable trader. And this is why so many traders struggle, why they fail to make money, and why they get stuck in cycles of frustration. But in today's masterclass, guys, I'm going to show you why consistency is the key to unlocking sustainable success and what it really means to us as traders. And then I'm going to share with you the exact steps you need to bring it into your trading journey. Now, consistency in trading isn't just a catchphrase. Okay, it's the backbone of success in the profession that we're in. And when I talk about consistency, I'm talking about unwavering dedication to a well-defined, carefully crafted strategy. And it's really a commitment that holds even when the market tempts you with distractions or emotional impulses. And this is where the true power of consistency lies, because it's not about chasing excitement or looking for quick wins. It's really about discipline and patience. And consistency means having the courage to stick to your plan, to show up day after day and execute precisely what you laid out without letting emotions, fear, or even the euphoria dictate your decisions. Now, here's something that I want every single one of you to understand deeply. Consistency does not guarantee a win on every trade. And I'm sure all of you know that. But what it does guarantee is a solid foundation, a sense of self-trust and discipline that is going to allow you to handle any outcome and to be able to bounce back from losses without, unraveling, and literally to stay grounded after wins without, getting reckless or overconfident. And I want you to think of it this way. Each consistent action that you take, every single time you follow your strategy without deviation, you're building your skills, your resilience, and your edge in the market, right? And this is what creates sustainable long-term results. And then that stops us from relying on luck and, not impulses. And then certainly, obviously, not random trades based on emotions. So here's the key takeaway. Don't let temporary setbacks or the thrill of quick wins pull you off course, because your job as a trader is to stay focused, to refine your process, to trust that the power of consistency will compound over time. And then this commitment is what's going to separate you from the 99+% of traders that are not able to maintain this consistency. Now, what you have to understand is consistency isn't just a habit. It is a foundation for trust, for control, and discipline in your trading. So when you're consistent, you start to trust your system and, more importantly, your ability to follow it, right? Even if the markets gets tough. And this trust is what keeps you grounded, guys. It stops you from second guessing yourself or jumping from one strategy to another, chasing quick fixes. So consistency is also going to then allow you to reduce emotional decisions. So when you build a routine and then you follow it, you're much less likely to let emotions like fear or greed take over. Your routine becomes a buffer, helping you to stay calm and in control. And then no matter what the market throws at you, you're able to continue to be consistent. And then finally, consistency goes hand in hand with effective risk management. So a consistent approach keeps you from taking unnecessary risks or breaking your own rules to chase profits. So it keeps you focused on your plan, knowing that disciplined, measured steps will always outweigh impulsive actions in the long run. Now, clear trading plan, guys, is going to help you, but you have to understand that it's more than just a set of rules. It is your anchor in the market. So when things get unpredictable, that plan keeps you steady. So you got to take the time to write down every part of your strategy, in detail, right? Your entry, your exit points, your risk management, and even the mindset goals that you want to uphold, because a disciplined mindset is just as crucial as technical skills. So when you know your plan inside out, you'll find it's far easier to act with consistency, even when emotions threaten to take over. Now, setting realistic goals is another vital piece. It's about focusing on sustainable growth rather than chasing perfection or expected rapid gains. And unrealistic expectations are a direct route to emotional trading and frustration. So instead, you want to be aiming for steady, gradual progress, and you want to start thinking of consistency as building blocks. So each small, consistent gain adds strength to your foundation. And then over time, that foundation becomes rock solid. And consistency, believe it or not, also thrives on routine. So when you establish a pre-trading routine, whether it's focused on chart review or taking, a few deep breaths to center yourself, what you're doing here is you're mentally preparing for discipline execution. And a routine is going to give you control, and it's going to set you up to enter each trading session in a more calm and focused state. And then this preparation helps you avoid impulsive decisions and really align your mind with your strategy, which is it then going to sharpen your ability to act with intention rather than emotion. We can also track your progress, which is another key element, right? A trading journal is more than just a record, believe it or not. It's a powerful tool for growth. So by documenting each trade and taking note of what works and what didn't, you're going to be able to gain valuable insight into the behavior, the patterns, and the tendencies that you tend to display, as well as the markets. And then this accountability, guys, is going to help you see where you excel and where you need improvement, which in turn is going to create a roadmap to refine both your strategy and approach. So then over time, this reflection is going to start building self-trust, and it's going to help you to recognize and avoid repeating those mistakes. And then there's patience, okay? The unsung hero of consistency. Patience, guys, means trusting that your process will yield results over time, even when immediate outcomes don't reflect it. Inconsistency often comes from the urge to react to every loss or gain, believe it or not. But true success requires a steady hand. So you've got to embrace the highs and the lows as part of the journey. And when you commit to the long game, your consistency will then compound, and that compounded consistency will ultimately drive your success. Now, there is a true power of consistency, and it will start to reveal itself over time for you. And when you make consistency your priority, you're doing much more than executing a single strategy, right? You're forging habits that are going to support you through every challenge and milestone that you're going to face in your trading journey. So these small, consistent actions, they might feel minor in the moment, but like drops of water that can wear down stone over time, each of these actions compound, and it's going to start creating lasting change, just as within any skill, right? Any craft or any discipline that you find yourself involved in. And I want you to consider this. Every decision to stay disciplined, every trade executed with intention is another building block in the foundation for your success. So consistency isn't just about technical skills, right? It's about building self-trust and a sense of control. And then each time you act with consistency, you're strengthening that trust, you're reinforcing your commitment, and you're proving to yourself that you can weather any market conditions. And with that growing self-trust, confidence will start to take root. And it's going to allow you to face both the triumphs and the setbacks of trading with a more calm, grounded, resilient approach. And then this confidence, guys, paired with steady growth, is what makes progress sustainable. So in trading, short-term results may fluctuate, as we all know, but consistency builds something deeper, a stability and a resilience that's ultimately going to serve you for the long haul. And consistency isn't just about quick wins or instant outcomes. It's about knowing you're building a foundation solid enough to support your ambitions, your goals, and your growth day after day, years after years. So you've got to start embracing consistency, right? And what you're going to start to find, guys, is that your journey isn't just about chasing results. It's about constructing something enduring, right? Something that is going to be truly transformative. So I want you to really take heed of this lesson today. Consistency is one of the most powerful traits that you can build as a trader. It's really the difference between chasing results and creating a legacy in the markets. And achieving it isn't going to be easy, guys. It's going to take patience. It's going to take discipline. It's going to take consistency. It's going to have to take you avoiding doing dumb shit. You're going to need a clear plan. You're going to need an unwavering commitment to your own growth, but it's entirely within your reach. So every day you choose progress over perfection, what you're effectively doing is laying the groundwork for something extraordinary. And each step forward, no matter how small it may be, is going to bring you closer to true mastery. So take note about what we've spoken about today, guys. Okay. Invest in your journey and really take the time to ponder over this. Okay. If this video resonated with you guys, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Share your consistency in the group with us. Would like to hear how consistent you've been 2024 and what plans you've got going forward into 2025, because I'd love to hear them. And just remember that every action that you take today moves you closer to your goal. Okay. So, guys, if you're ready to level up your trading and you want to make 2025 the best year of your life, click the link down below. Join NDS. This is the most simplest, most straightforward community with full training, live sessions, Q&As, review sessions, and much more. And this is all for less than your coffee habit. Okay. If you're serious about leveling up, click the link below and we'll see you on the other side. Other than that, guys, stay consistent, be patient, stay disciplined, avoid doing dumb shit. And as I always say, always trust the process.